Hey, hi, you are watching JP Tarot, and right now I am going to do August monthly reading for the air signs. Okay, August monthly reading for the air signs Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If you have your Sun, Moon, Rising, even the Venus in Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, okay, signs, then you have this reading for you. If you have your Gemini, Libra, Aquarius signs in your Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs, this reading is for you. So how you see, let us first place these cards. I have this past, present and future cards with these two clarification cards. This is not a three-card reading. You will get greater insight through this reading because this is the detailed one. Okay, you will get connection. If you have not watched my July reading, go back and see to get more insight into your situation. I'm going to deal with this August month reading, and you have in the past you were not accepting somebody's offer, or somebody was not accepting your offer, and in the present you are feeling hugely passionate about your person. Despite you have not accepted their offer, you are feeling very much passionate, or though your person have not accepted your offer, but still they are feeling passionate about you and about this relationship. In future you will feel huge emotional towards your person, or your person is going to feel hugely emotional towards you. And let's have clarification. Okay, in the past somebody didn't accepted the person's offer because they felt like they are very much superior to their person. They are far better than their person. They felt that their person should be competitive because they are far better. Their person needs to be better. Okay, they felt like, so they dropped their offer. Despite this passion they're feeling in the present, or the person is feeling in the present, and this ultimately this conflict will lead to some offering. Okay, somebody is going to offer stability to their person that will give this emotional satisfaction in this relationship, okay, in the future. So the one who has dropped the offer might come forward and offer stability to their partner because they were to just initiate that conflict or competitiveness with their partner because they felt like they are superior to their partner. So the one who has rejected is coming with an offer, or vice versa, the one who has offered is still holding their coin in their hand. They are still waiting to offer their partner the stability because they feel stable towards their partner. They know their person is competitive towards them, but they know that they will ultimately accept their offer because they are hugely passionate towards them, and they will end this conflict with their person or with them because their arrogance or that attitude is fake, because they love them hugely or they have huge passion for them. At some point they wanted to marry them, but on dropping that proposal, might be they have become defensive and they are showing this fake competitiveness, and despite this passion towards the person. So ultimately this conflict is going to resolve, and in the future there will be a offer making from any of the side. Means might be you, if you are a guy, you are going to offer your person some stability, or your person, if they are a guy, they are going to offer you stability. So offer is going to be taken or given. Okay, that will lead to this satisfaction, okay, emotional satisfaction, and the outcome will be My God, such a great card. So you are in the entire month, you are gonna feel like filled with love and emotion, hugely emotionally satisfied, because you feel like somebody who dropped your offer and had this competitive sense of attitude. They have still have passion, and they are going to offer you, or they have offered you stability that's making you feel that your future is going to have that filled with, you will be filled with that emotion that you were aspiring this in this relationship, and that's making your heart full of happiness. You will have happiness in the month of August. You will feel all the monthly overall energy of the month is that you are gonna feel happy in the relationship. You will feel emotionally fulfilled and satisfied on the proposal or offer of stability you are getting in this, going to get in this relationship from somebody who is very much passionate about you. Despite this conflict and rejection, they are gonna offer you some stability, or you are going to offer this stability to your person, making this relationship a happy relationship. This is the overall energy of the month of August. So your passion and offering to your partner will lead to this emotional satisfaction and happiness, despite you had this competitive and emotion, had or showed this competitive emotion and rejection to your partner, or your partner did this to you, but still you know that your person or you or both of you are having this passion for each other, and this stability is coming your way, and this stability will make stable offer will make you feel satisfied, and your heart will fill with this happiness. Okay, you will feel happy in the entire month of August. Okay, so that's all for you. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. If you want more clarity, please go and watch my last video of the July month. You are advised to see whole series of 6 months: July, August, September, October, November, December. I will upload them back to back, because I'm going to do that reading in one go. So you will have at least 10 to 15 days gap, and you will get your readings back to back. So once you have watched this video, you can come back after 10 to 12 days, and you will get the link of that video in this video. Okay, you can just search JP Tarot, and you will get monthly reading playlist, and you can grab your reading from there. Okay, so that's all for you. Please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. That's all for you. Thank you.